Alright, you want to get it? Let's do it.
Check. Yeah. Check. Oh, yeah, somebody will ready. Check.
Just bring the level down a second. Just working to get a lot of stuff, you know?
You're recording this, right? Thank you.
You know you love me.
I love you.
Check. Yeah. Check. That sounds enough, man.
That
Check 1, 2.
sounded like Jason.
Check.
Like Jason.
Check. Check. 1, 2. Check. 1, 2. Check. 1, 2. Check.
And here we are, we're doing the sound check for Line with DJ Alex Garcia, Sanchez from the Feelgoods Lounge. There's Bob from Line.
Check 1, 2.
There's Joy
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check. 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check. Okay. Joy, 1 check.
Hello, 1, 2, 1. Please say check. Hello, check 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, check 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Check. 1.
Check 1, 2. 7, 8.
Okay. You start from the beginning.
You counting too?
We can bring the track. Can you run the track a little bit through the monitors as well?
And we run the track through that? Through the monitors? Without a rope? No, let's find the track through another channel, different output. Oh, I got you. And just have a little mix of these two. Oh, I got you. I have a speaker on my car, so I want to do it that way. What do you have? Yeah. You have...
Fresca está grabando. This is the making of the Line party.
It would be a dry, unamplified out.
Oh, happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody.
I have an unamplified out. You dig it? What's going in there? It's there for what, your cassette? Yeah. Are you using cassette? I'm going to record myself later. Okay.
Don't forget the Mamba Queen. You forgot the Mamba Queen. No, don't smoke. It's bad for you. Quit.
You could do either one. You could do quarter-inch, whatever. You have RCA? Yeah. You got RCA there? Yeah, you have RCA. No. I'm taking a break just like it's coming. You just would have to run it. If you have more than one coming out of there, where you could have your recorder still.